In this video, you will learn everything about the LM35 temperature sensor, how it works, its pin configuration, specifications, and how to interface it with Arduino step by step. Welcome to Polonium Technologies. What is LM35 sensor? Let us first understand what the LM35 sensor is. LM35 is an analog temperature sensor that provides an output voltage directly proportional to temperature in Celsius. This means you don't need any complex calculations or calibration. The sensor does most of the work for you. For example, if the output is 250 millivolts, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Key features. Now let us look at some important features of the LM35. It has a sensitivity of 10 millivolts per degree Celsius. It can measure temperature from minus 55 degrees to 150 degrees Celsius. It is highly accurate with a typical error of only plus or minus 1 degree. And most importantly, it consumes very low power.
Pin configuration. Let us now understand the pinout of the LM35 sensor. It has 3 pins. First is VCC, which is used to supply power, typically between 4 to 30 volts. Second is the output pin. This gives analog voltage based on temperature. Third is ground, which is connected to ground. That's it, just 3 simple connections. Working principle. Now let us understand how it actually works. The LM35 generates an output voltage that increases linearly with temperature. The scale factor is very simple, 10 millivolts per degree Celsius. So if temperature increases, voltage increases proportionally. This makes it very easy to read temperature using microcontrollers like Arduino.
Arduino interfacing. Now, let us connect the LM35 with Arduino. Connect the VCC pin to 5 volts on Arduino. Connect the GND pin to ground. And connect the output pin to analog pin A1. That's all you need for the hardware setup. Code explanation. Now, let us understand the code. First, we read the analog value from the sensor. Then, we convert that value into voltage. After that, we divide it by 10 to get the temperature in Celsius because the sensor gives 10 millivolts per degree. Finally, we print the temperature on the serial monitor every second.
The output will be a continuous stream of temperature readings displayed in degrees Celsius. You can see real-time temperature changes as the environment changes. Applications. Now let us talk about where you can use the LM35. It is commonly used in weather monitoring systems, temperature control devices, industrial monitoring systems, and also in DIY electronics and IoT projects.
Alternatives. If you need other options, you can also consider sensors like DHT11, DS18B20, or TMP36 depending on your project requirements. So in this video, you learned how the LM35 temperature sensor works, its features, and how to interface it with Arduino. If this video helped you understand temperature sensing, give it a like. Subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more engineering tutorials. And comment below what project you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.